That's true actually, and if you look at it, we opened trade at around that 5700 mark, and how quickly we lost those 150 points or so, and even now it doesn't look like there's any signs of abating. So what do you do in a scenario like this? I believe Ambareesh Baliga is joining us on the line. Ambareesh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hi Ambareesh, it's not the best of mornings actually to be speaking, but what's really going on in the markets right now? The way we've lost those 140 points and now just back at 5600, what's really going on?
Clearly the way things are, whatever actions have been taken by the government in the last few days has actually been taken as a regressive sort of a step. This is a view which is going on in the market, and possibly because of this, it is very much possible that the foreign investors may also take a negative view and possibly sell out to a certain extent. Because of those fears, we have seen the markets crack like this. But the way things are, I don't think government really had too many other options than to take the drastic action.
Ambareesh, so in reaction to all these fears, are we just seeing, perhaps speculative, short positions, or not even speculative, like, short positions in the futures and options space, or have we seen actual significant, cash outflows today so far in the markets by the FIs as well as DIIs?
Yeah, I suppose there could be a lot of short positions which have been built up, because of which I feel that like earlier also we had taken some support at closer to the 5500, 5525 levels. So I suppose even this time we could see some decent support at those levels where we could see some amount of short covering. So I don't think at these levels one should be exiting in panic.
But Ambareesh, the way things are going, this support at 5500, is it going to hold?
I think we'll have to just wait and watch for that. But going by the previous experience, there's extremely good support at those levels, and I suppose at those levels some amount of sanity may return to the market.
You said that investors should not perhaps be selling in panic at these levels around that 5600 mark on the Nifty. Are you recommending at least in a few sectors, like perhaps in the bank space, there is more downside in store, and therefore investors should just take whatever they're making so far and at least exit at these levels?
There could be some more downside for banks, because that's where I think the next pain point is. And again, looking at the way the economy is going, you can surely expect more NPAs to surface going ahead. So the way we see it is possibly more pain is still there for the banks, especially the PSU space. So, which we have been recommending that every sort of a bounce back which we see, which is in fact saw in the last couple of days, should have been utilized to exit to a certain extent.
All right, Ambareesh, appreciate your time this morning. I know you must be very busy for the moment. Thanks very much for joining us. That's the word that's coming in. Next support at 5500. Let's see. For now, the Nifty is holding on to its 5600 levels, but let's see from how much it slips from here on and whether or not 5500 actually holds. But there's a lot of activity